How to change home screen layout. Find a blank spot on your home screen. No app, no widgets, just clear space. Hold your finger there for 2 seconds and boom. A menu appears at the bottom with options like wallpaper, theme, ways, and home screen settings. Tap home screen settings. Tap home screen layout. Depending on your phone brand, you will see something like home screen only, home and app drawer. Want a minimalist look? Choose home screen only. Or do you prefer seeing all app? Go with app drawer mode. Still in home settings, look for home screen grid or layout grid and choose how many icons you want per row or column. Which layout you like the best? Drop in the comment. Your home screen, your rules. Users went from default Android to designer phone. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.